For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
Yearn.finance is an aggregator administration for financial backers and decentralized finance, DeFi, empowering them to increment yield cultivating profit through computerization. It plans to improve the consistently growing DeFi market for non-specialized financial backers or the people who favor less committal cooperations than proficient merchants. The help, referred to at first as yearn and sent off in February 2020, has had dangerous development throughout recent months as new merchandise have showed up and designers have delivered the DeFi token. In this video, I'll take a gander at some new DeFi value expectations and endeavor to gauge where the resources cost may be going from here on out. What makes yearn.finance unique? Yearn.finance is a one-of-a-kind stage that offers different administrations to its clients. These administrations incorporate yield cultivating, loaning, and marking. Yearn.finance additionally has its local token, DeFi, which is utilized to control the stage and give liquidity to clients. DeFi tokens can be traded on various trades. What compels yearn.finance stand apart from different stages in this space is its attention on conveying worth to its clients. The group behind yearn.finance has made a framework that permits clients to boost their profits via naturally putting their assets in the most beneficial conventions that anyone could hope to find. This framework has been extraordinarily fruitful up until this point and has assisted yearn.finance with becoming one of the main stages in the space. Something else that makes yearn.finance extraordinary is its obligation to decentralization. The stage uses a few decentralized innovations, including savvy contracts, which assists with guaranteeing that there is no weak link. This decentralized model has drawn in numerous clients searching for an option in contrast to customary concentrated monetary establishments. A key component that makes yearn.finance novel is its emphasis on yield cultivating. This is a cycle by which clients stake their crypto resources from their crypto wallet to procure compensations from partaking in different conventions. By marking their resources, clients can give liquidity to these conventions and procure a portion of their expenses. Yearn.finance, YFI, Technical Analysis. The DeFi cost has been on a bull run since it was first sent off in mid-February 2020. DeFi is a decentralized money, DeFi, token that drives the yearn.finance convention. The convention offers yield-cultivating administrations and permits clients to procure interest on their crypto resources. DeFi is a local badge of the yearn.finance convention and is expected to get to its administrations. It additionally gives clients casting a ballot rights on the stage and empowers them to take part in administration choices. The complete stock of DeFi is fixed at 36,666 tokens, and there won't ever be any more made. This makes it a deflationary resource that could expand its worth over the long run as request develops. The DeFi's cost expectation framework depends on authentic information, specialized, and essential examination. Do your own exploration and don't take the DeFi cost conjecture as monetary guidance. Yearn.finance, YFI, current price. There are a couple of key factors that are driving DeFi's cost higher. To begin with, yearn.finance has turned into the main stage for yield cultivating, a stylish better approach to procure interest on digital currencies. Because of yearn.finance, yield cultivating has become a lot simpler and more open for normal financial backers, prompting a flood popular for DeFi tokens. Second, the DeFi blast has prompted a blast popular for local tokens like DeFi. As an ever-increasing number of clients rush to decentralized finance conventions, the interest for these conventions' local tokens increments. This expanded interest is one of the fundamental drivers of DeFi's cost rally lately. Yearn.finance is as of now worth $8,704.62. DeFi has moved minus 5.30% as of now with an exchanging volume of $71,719,580. Yearn.finance is as of now positioned 100 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $331,288,447. Yearn.finance, YFI, Price Prediction 2022. Yearn.finance, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year, YFI. The DeFi cost conjecture for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $13,056.93. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $12,186.47 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. DeFi is supposed to have a base worth of $10,445.55. yearn.finance, YFI, price prediction 2023. In 2023, yearn.finance DeFi cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of DeFi will before long outperform $21,761.56. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the DeFi's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, DeFi will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $17,409.24 and a typical exchanging cost of $19,150.17. yearn.finance, YFI, price prediction 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $30,466.18 and DeFi might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. DeFi is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $27,854.79 and a low of $26,113.87 in 2024. yearn.finance, YFI, price prediction 2025. In the event that yearn.finance effectively helps market feeling among digital currency lovers, the DeFi coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, DeFi will be green in 2025. The DeFi is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $39,170.80, with a base cost of $34,818.49 and a typical cost of $36,559.41. yearn.finance, YFI, price prediction 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the DeFi cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $45,264.04.